All done. Got everything packaged up in the box. You can see I cut the USB cable for the power and also for a ground. Everything runs over here to RJ45s like I did before, except this time I consolidated everything. This one right here is the end of the track start, or the beginning of the track start gate and a reset switch, and then this is the display and the sensors. I'm going to have them tie into each other. So here's the display and the sensors. See the brown and the green. Light green right here is my ground. Dark green, light blue, or light brown and brown are the sensors. They all run up into these switches. These are double pole, double throw. One side is for a light indicator, the other side is for the actual sensor. It cuts it off. Then it feeds over there into 2, 3, and 4 for the Arduino. The other two are the orange wire is my power, 5 volts. I'll be powering an LED on the top rack. Once I get this built, the LED facing down on those sensors. And then the other two are the signal, the serial VCC or SCL, SDA. Yep, and then my flashlight right now is acting as a sensor, or as the light source for the IR. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. Plug this in. Also, I used USB here, so I could still plug it in and program it if I need to. I have just a USB wall adapter. Here's my power. These are my lane indicators. This cuts the signal to the sensor and also just gives a little light indication. So lanes 1, 2, and 3. And then that's my reset button, status light. So right now I'm ready to go. I'm going to trip the run. Make sure I got light source on there. If I can actually get the wires to touch here. There we go, we're running. You can see all the displays are reading. I'm going to trip the sensors with my finger over here and break the light. There you go. Pretty much done. Just got to finish up the overhead arms and put the sensors in the track. And then, since I have these little couplers here, I can get any length cable I need without having to worry about cutting anything. And I'm done. If you want, reset here. Also, I integrated from my last time I did this, a reset also from up here. So that way at the start gate I can reset without having to walk back to the box. When you end up doing these Pinewood derbies, you get all these kids running around. It's kind of hard to run back and forth to the control box. It's easier just to do it from the starting gate. So right here I can trip the sensor. Where is it? There we go. So I can trip it from the one from just right here. So I'm just gonna have one of these little momentary buttons like this one, but I'll have it there at the end of the track. End of the track will have one of these little rolling sensors for the start gate trip. So I'll wire that in once I get it on the track. So as soon as someone lets go of the flag and lets all the cars go, it'll trip and do the same as right here.
Hey Mom! Tell me I want to say something funny.